Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of budget-friendly air fryers. Crispy fries, juicy wings, and healthy snacks, all without breaking the bank. Let's explore the top 5 air fryers under $70 in 2024 and see which one might be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Number 1. GoWISE USA 1700 Watt 5.8-QT 8-in-1 Digital Air Fryer. This GoWISE boasts a spacious 5.8 quart capacity, perfect for families or those who like to meal prep. It's got a sleek digital interface with 8 pre-programmed settings for fries, veggies, chicken, and more. Plus, it comes with a recipe book to get your creative juices flowing. This air fryer cooked evenly and delivered crispy results. The presets were convenient, especially for beginners. However, the size might be a bit much for a single person or a couple with limited counter space. Number 2. Gourmia 4QT Digital Air Fryer with Guided Cooking. The Gourmia offers a more compact design with a 4-quart capacity. It also features a user-friendly digital display with presets and helpful reminders like preheating and shaking your food halfway through. Cleaning is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe basket. This air fryer was ideal for smaller kitchens and single servings. The guided cooking features were a nice touch, and the food came out golden brown and delicious. However, some users might find the capacity a bit limiting. Number 3. CHEFMAN Small Air Fryer Healthy Cooking 3.6 QT. For those with limited space or budget, the CHEFMAN Mini is a great option. Its 3.6 quart capacity makes it perfect for personal portions or side dishes. It has a simple digital interface with easy-to-use controls and a dishwasher-safe basket. This air fryer surprised me. Despite its size, it delivered surprisingly crispy results. It's perfect for whipping up quick snacks or reheating leftovers. Keep in mind that the small size means you can't cook large quantities at once. Number 4. Amazon Basics 3.2 Quart Compact Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. Here's another space-saving option from Amazon Basics. This 3.2 quart air fryer boasts a multifunctional design, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. It also comes with a handy timer and auto shutoff for safety. This air fryer offered versatility at a great price. The different functions were useful for making a variety of dishes. However, the smaller capacity limited batch cooking, and some users might find the controls a little basic. Number 5. Air Fryer 5-Quart Digital Display Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This air fryer takes things up a notch by combining air frying with toasting and baking functionalities. Its 5-quart capacity makes it a good choice for families, and the digital display with presets simplifies operation. This air fryer offered the most cooking options for the price. It was great for making everything from crispy snacks to small pizzas. However, its larger size demands more counter space, and it might not be as energy efficient as the other air fryers on this list.